Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the clipboard history on Windows 11. So in here, I'm going to just show you the shortcut of turning on the clipboard history. Now you can just use or click on this Windows button plus the V letter on the keyboard. So let's just click on it. You can see Windows button and V, and this will show up. So let's try again. Okay, this one's right here. This is the clipboard, so you can just turn it on to make the to show the history of copy words or sentences on your computer. So you turn on clipboard history to copy and view multiple items. So just click on turn on. You can see this is the last text that I copy. So let's say I copy another text, for example in here. Okay, I'm going to just copy this, for example, and then I'm going to open the clipboard history again. Sorry, this one, and as you guys can see, the word that the sentence that I copied before will be shown in here, so you can view it again, and if you need it, you can also copy it for later. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.